Welcome everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to embark on a journey of deep relaxation with a sleeping meditation. This practice is perfect for unwinding after a long day, quieting your mind, and preparing for a restful sleep. Before we begin, find a comfortable position. You can sit upright in a chair with your feet flat on the floor or lie down on your bed. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze if that feels more comfortable. Take a few slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a lush meadow. The sun is warm on your skin, and a gentle breeze carries the scent of wildflowers. Take a deep breath and feel the peace of this place settle over you. Now visualize a soft, fluffy cloud drifting across the meadow. It's big enough for you to lie down on comfortably. As you exhale, gently step onto the cloud. Feel its soft texture beneath your feet. With each breath, the cloud begins to slowly descend, carrying you further and further down. Let go of any tension you're holding in your body. Feel your muscles softening, your worries and anxieties melting away like snowflakes in the sun. The cloud drifts lower, taking you past rolling hills and sparkling streams. With each descent, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Notice any thoughts that arise, but don't judge them. Simply acknowledge them and let them float away like leaves on a gentle breeze. The cloud continues its descent, enveloping you in a cocoon of serenity. Feel the cool touch of the cloud against your skin. With each breath, imagine a wave of calm washing over you, erasing any remaining tension. Let your body become completely heavy and relaxed. If you feel yourself drifting off to sleep, that's perfectly all right. Allow yourself to surrender to the feeling of peace and tranquility. This sleep will be deeply restorative and leave you feeling refreshed in the morning. When you're ready to return, take a few slow, deep breaths. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently bringing your awareness back to your body. Inhale deeply and stretch your arms and legs as you open your eyes, feeling rejuvenated and ready for whatever lies ahead. Thank you for joining me on this sleeping meditation. I hope you found it relaxing and restorative. If you enjoyed this practice, be sure to like and subscribe for more guided meditations. Sweet dreams.